Hi, in today's video we are going to see basic of Unix command. First we will see root and home directory. So you see the symbol here represent the home directory. If you want to check the path, you can just use pwd command. Now if you want to see the root directory, you can use cd command followed by double dot. You see the slash option here, it will represent your root directory and also called as a absolute path. You can clear the screen. Now we will press cd to go to the home directory, and if you want to see the files present in the home directory, use ls. You can see some files here, I have created them earlier. Now we will create a new directory named directory 1. Hit enter. Now you see the directory is created. If you want to go inside the directory, you can use cd command and followed by the directory name. You can see we are inside of this directory. So if you want to go back, use cd, and you can use ls for the file listing. I have written the notes for you. If you want to copy it or want to make a note of it, you can pause the video and take a note.